everyone. I am Dinaville Culiao. Today, I will be discussing about the perils of overpopulation o ang banta sa pagrami ng tao. Development planners see urbanization and industrialization as indicators of a developing society, but disagree on the role of population growth or decline in modernization. A lot of people saying na ang economic growth and population growth is balanced lang. But some people then also saying na ang economic growth and population growth is dili balance kasi sa pag-unlad ng ekonomiya, yun rin yung pagrami ng tao sa mundo bali magkaka-shortage. Hindi masusustentuhan ng ekonomiya ang pangangailangan ng mga tao. This length discussion will bring back the idea of Thomas Malthus, a British scholar who wrote an essay on principle of population, that population growth will inevitably exhaust world food supply by the middle of 19th century. Malthus predicted that due to population growth, the world would run out of food and resources. But his prediction was off base. But it was revived in 1960s when American biologist Paul R. Ehrlich and his wife Anne wrote about the population bomb, which argued that it will bring global environmental disaster that would lead to food shortage and mass starvation. United States take the lead in the promotion of global population control in order to reduce the growth rate to zero. Their recommendation range from the bizarre or chemical castration, or it called hormone therapy. It is a treatment na gumagamit ng chemical or drugs to reduce or stop the production of sex hormones, or to reduce the libido of one person. Then, next is the policy-oriented. Pag meron kang anak o bawat anak, meron kang tax or ang related product to your child like school or luxurious toys, may tax ka rin na babayaran. Then the last one is the monetary intensive, paying of men who would agree to be sterilized after having 2 children. By limiting the population, vital resources would be used for economic progress and not be diverted and wasted to feeding more mouths. These arguments become the basis for government population control program worldwide. The Philippines, China, and India sought to or research to lower the birth rates on the belief that unless controlled, the free expansion of family member would lead to widespread poverty, mass hunger, and political instability. And finally, politics determined this birth control programs, the condoms, pills, abortion, and vasectomy. We all know that vasectomy is for the male control nga putlon na ugat sa ilato para dili sila mag-produce og sperm ata vasectomy kani. Then abortion here in the Philippines dili ta we're not agree on abortion because we are religious country. Then pills, condoms, some people are using that nowadays. And this is my report, and good night. Thank you everyone for listening.